Hey you guys, I didn't do an intro in this video because I was hanging out with a friend and she's like introvert. She doesn't like to be on the camera, so I thought it would be like a silent vlog. But now, earlier if you saw all the clips now, then you will know that she and me, we were hanging out now, and after that now it's raining so much here today. And then I went home. She went her own home, and then we took bath, and then now we're gonna eat momo along with another friend is going to join us. So I'm on the way to her home. Then we will eat momo, and that will be it. So yeah guys, I'm so sorry I wasn't able to do the intro, but better late than never. Welcome back to the Naga Girl Diaries channel. I make lifestyle, beauty and vlogs, so if that sounds like your vibe, stay tuned. And this was a silent vlog where I don't yap that much. Yeah, so bye, see you. If you know, you know the Nalaka water also, Nala, you know, right, the drainage system. Pani also was there. I'm wearing a half long types pants, raining, umbrella with me, and we are going to my friend's house.